My name is Eleazar, Ramos Maldonado. Today I am going to talk about the benefits of eating fruits and vegetables and why they are really important for our health. Many people know that fruits and vegetables are healthy, but sometimes we don't eat enough of them in our daily diet. Very hungry. Delicious. Fruits and vegetables are very important for our health because they contain many essential nutrients. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamins and minerals help our body work properly. Fiber is important for digestion. Antioxidants help protect our cells and reduce the risk of disease. Eating fruits and vegetables regularly can lower the risk of heart disease and some types of cancer. Eating fruits and vegetables regularly has many health benefits. They strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and help maintain a healthy weight. Eating at least 400 grams per day, above 5 portions, reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. There are many types of fruits and vegetables, and each provides different nutrients. Oranges and strawberries contain vitamin C. Carrots contain vitamin A. Broccoli has vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Spinach has iron and other nutrients that help the body produce energy. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables helps the body get all the nutrients it needs. Health experts recommend eating at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day. You can eat fruit with breakfast and vegetables to lunch, and include a salad with dinner. Choosing fruit as snacks instead of processed food is another good option. Small changes in eating habits can improve your health in the long term. In conclusion, fruits and vegetables are essential for a healthy life. They provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that help the body stay strong and healthy. Eating fruits and vegetables regularly improve digestion, strengthens the immune system, and reduce the risk of many diseases. It is important to include them in our daily meals. The information in this video is based on source from the European Food Information Council and the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations.